Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Gastonia Charlotte I-85. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off Interstate 85, this pet-friendly hotel features laundry facilities. Free Wi-Fi is provided to all guests. Charlotte Douglas International Airport is 25 minutes drive away. Cable TV and a telephone are found in the simply decorated rooms at the Motel 6-Gastonia Charlotte I-85. Rooms are also equipped with a micro-fridge, air conditioning, and a private bathroom. A 24-hour reception and fax and photocopying services are available to the guests of the Gastonia Motel 6. Coffee is offered in the mornings. Crowder's Mountain State Park is 20 minutes drive from the hotel. Central Charlotte and the Bank of America Stadium are both within 30 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.